satisfaction, and we're going to study about it. And this is what will be our study. So this is the Satisfy trial, powered and planned by SKI. The chief investigator will be Professor Vikas Kanduja from Cambridge, and myself and Dr. Parag sir. So just to give a brief summary, as the Lancet in 2020 had quoted, one of the most successful surgeries, the total knee, and as per the registry data and as per the Government of India guidelines, we have about 2 lakh estimated surgeries being done in 2022. Now, this magic number of 18%, which is being quoted in most lectures, journals, now this is mainly data from the Western literature, from the Western registries. There is no specific Indian data. Are our patients more satisfied or less satisfied? We still don't know. So what is the satisfaction after total knee in India? This is our main question. Now, whenever you have to have a big trial or a big study, to get a good answer for any primary outcome or a burning question, you need a well-designed collaborative clinical trial, which is multi-center like these. So we just analyzed what were the possibilities of shortcomings, which is not possible in India. So usually the complex methodology, the long time period, bias in analysis, poor follow-up, and most importantly, there is also a lack of any incentive for a participating surgeon. How do we get every surgeon involved? So this is our main study question. What is the total knee satisfaction after total knee? So the Satisfy trial, the mnemonic satisfaction after total knee in India, analysis of functional outcomes, multi-center study. Our primary outcome will be how satisfied are our patients. And also we will tend to analyze what are the causes of dissatisfaction and also decipher on the practice patterns among surgeons. So this is going to be a prospective observational study registered with the clinical trials of Government of India. Now, any orthopedic surgeon, any budding surgeon, any enthusiastic surgeon doing total knee replacement, you can participate. If you give 10 knees, you will get a PubMed index authorship in the paper. The study period is going to be from May 1st to July 30th. And inclusion criteria in your methodology, in your routine way, you have to do primary total knee replacements in osteoarthritis patients, and we also have our exclusion criteria broadened out. 10% of the annual number, that's going to be our aimed sample size of 20,000 knees, and we will be having a preoperative questionnaire. Now, this was in a systematic review by Professor Kanduja, where back pain, patellar resurfacing, obesity, and all the other causes have been mentioned. So we will include all these in this prospective observational study. And it's going to be a short time period, 3 months. Anyone can contribute 10 consecutive knees. And we will also, the Oxford knee score has now been validated in 8 Indian languages. And also, we will also decipher on the role of alignment, how it influences the overall satisfaction. So this is going to be the study chronogram. From February 1st, the website will be rolled out and all the participation will start. We will give all the ethics. Everything has already been done in the background. May 1st to July is going to be the study period. Independent physician assistants are going to analyze them at 6 months and 1 year. And hopefully in 2025 August, we come out with the results and all participants will be included in the PubMed Index authorship in the paper. So overcoming these shortcomings, we have a simple methodology. Every author will be acknowledged, short time period, and it will be centrally blinded, the study. So we wanted to make a larger study analyzing satisfaction with our numbers, especially in India. And probably the most important thing, it will help change the practice patterns and most importantly, benefit patients. So as they always say, collaboration is the new competition. We invite all of you to be part of the study and kindly wait to hear from us.
Thank you, Bhaskar.